Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are back with a paver sealing job here this morning. We actually have two of them. We're going to clean both of them today and then come back and seal both of them tomorrow. Hopefully the rain holds up for us. So let me walk you around and show you what we're doing. First, I'm going to show you the front walkway and driveway here. The owner tried to power wash it himself, but it's kind of made a mess of it, so I told him we'd take care of that while we're here cleaning today. So we got this area down along here, front driveway. You can see the wand marks where he was trying to do it himself. And this walkway up along the front, and then up to the front, you can see give it a valiant try. All right, so let me take you around back and show you the patio and fire pit that we're doing today. Okay, so we have this fire pit area with these pavers through here. Couple of stepping stones, the outside area here, and then inside in the back area here. So not a big project here, but we'll get it knocked out. Okay, so that's our project here for this morning, so let's get moving. Okay, so it's the next day. We're back here for the paver sealing job. Everything's dried out. We just got done sanding, just getting everything prepped and get ready to put down the sealer. All the sand's filled up. Everything's prepped out. We're ready for putting some Cat 5 down this morning. Everything's vacuumed out. All the seals are ready to go. All right, so let's get going with some sealer here. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. We got the sealer down and just let it dry. Turned out really sharp. Color enhancement is real. Okay, so still wet right now. Just the top coat on it. All right, so we're all set. We had two of the neighbors came over and got some business cards from us, so, and he's going to refer us over to his son who has a big pool cage. Anyway, all right, so this is Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We'll see you at the next job.